Hey guys, JNM here with a new tutorial for the Unity 3D Game Kit series in which I will show you how to add vegetation and rocks to the environment. The Prefabs and Environment folder contains rocks and vegetation prefabs that you can drag into the scene. There are rocks, medium, small and large vegetation models, but to add these models one at a time to the scene can be very time consuming. So let's remove them again and have a look at the vegetation and rock painters. You find these here in the hierarchy of the project template under the game utilities. When you select the first child object of the Vegetation Painter and hover with the cursor now over the plane, you can see that you have a brush that you can use to kind of paint vegetation game objects to the terrain. You can adjust the radius, height and density of the brush, and when you left click, you add the vegetation to the terrain. By holding the Ctrl key and then left click, you delete the game objects that you added. A shortcut to change the radius of the brush is to hold the Alt key down and then scroll the mouse wheel. Okay, I go ahead now and paint some grass to the terrain. After that, I changed the vegetation model and now I'm able to paint these plants as ground coverage. Okay, now I want to see how this comes out, so I hit the play button to start the game. And this looks really nice, painted in a few seconds. Alright, let's continue to add some medium-sized vegetation objects. And after that, I create a few larger ones. So you can see this is very simple to add vegetation. I think we also need some rocks, so I select the Rocks painter for small rocks. And first I select the template that contains just one prefab. I can also change the radius of the brush as for the vegetation. And then I left click to paint in the rocks. For the Rock painter we have another template that has 3 rock prefabs assigned to the game objects array, so you can use this to add different kind of rocks with one click. I think for the sake of this tutorial this is good enough. I start again and enjoy my improvements. Alright guys, that's it again. I hope you liked the tutorial. By the way, you can use the instance painters for any prefab you like. I really recommend to try it. If you like this channel guys, then don't forget to subscribe to be notified when the next video is online. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support if you would like to support me on my Patreon, and I hope you come back soon to JNM.